Are you tired of boring snacks?
Let's jazz up your popcorn.
Today we'll share 10 creative flavored popcorn ideas. These will turn any movie night into a gourmet treat. Popcorn is a versatile snack. Let's dive into flavoring it with fun twists. Each idea is simple and requires minimal ingredients. You can easily make them at home. First, try classic caramel popcorn. Melt butter, sugar, and corn syrup. Pour over popped popcorn and bake it to perfection. Next up, we have cheesy popcorn. Simply toss hot popcorn with a bit of melted butter, then sprinkle with the powdered cheese from a box of mac and cheese. The result? A savory delight. How about spicy popcorn? Mix popcorn with chili powder and cayenne. Add a drizzle of olive oil for heat. For something sweet, try chocolate drizzled popcorn. Melt chocolate, drizzle over popcorn, and let it set. Cinnamon sugar popcorn is another tasty treat. Mix cinnamon and sugar, then coat warm popcorn. It's like a dessert in a bowl. Next, we have ranch popcorn. Combine powdered ranch seasoning with popped corn for a zesty twist. If you love peanut butter, go for peanut butter popcorn. Melt peanut butter, mix with popcorn, and sprinkle with salt. For a fruity option, try strawberry popcorn. Add dried strawberries and a sprinkle of sugar for a burst of flavor. Cheesecake popcorn is another delightful variation. Mix cream cheese powder with popcorn for a dessert-like experience. Finally, don't forget about s'mores popcorn. Add mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, and graham cracker crumbs. Popcorn flavors can be more than just plain butter. Explore these popcorn flavors today for a fun, irresistible snack. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious snack ideas.